I'm sheeting up the jib on Bluebird for our last day of sailing for the year. And we're gonna go sailing for a beautiful fall session.
Ready to hoist?
Ready?
Hoisting!
Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Alright, what's up, Delos Tribe?
Hello.
It's been a while since we've been on the channel.
Yep, it's been almost a year since we hopped off Delos and came up to Lake Tahoe, California.
Yep. And here we are announcing that we started another YouTube channel. It's crazy to think about. It kind of blows my mind that 10 years ago, Brian and I left to go sailing and we started filming and we created a YouTube channel that we really didn't think anybody would watch but our family and friends, and that wasn't the case, which we're grateful for. And here we are, Blue and I are creating another channel. And our first upload has just gone up.
Yep. I know, it's crazy to think back to a few years ago when I first hopped on Delos in South Africa, and I had no idea that YouTube is what it is, and I had no idea that Delos is what it is, and it's been a crazy journey, but it brought us here, and I'm excited to share it.
Definitely. And it's been a really strange year, but we luckily have filmed over the past year a little bit, sporadically here and there, but enough for Blue to work her magic and edit something together as our first episode on our channel.
Yeah, I'm sure 2020 ended up being nothing that anyone imagined, but we made the most of it, and we're excited to share it with you guys.
Definitely. Yeah, this channel is someplace that's like for us to release our creative energy. And although we started a sailing school this summer, the Cruisers Academy, we're still going to be storytellers and filmmakers forever.
Yeah.
So this will be our place just for fun to release films, documentaries, whatever we feel like making, right?
That's it.
That's it. Link in the description.
It's up now if you
It's
want to
up
go
now.
watch it. Like now.
Yeah.
now.
Thanks for the love. Bye.
Mwah.